bag's on the go. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you're liking already, if you're liking anything that you see, make sure you hit the like button. If you appreciate what I'm doing, hit the like button. If you just here watching, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Appreciate it. Let's get to work now. So what I'm doing now is getting ready to put this dash in the car. It's interior time. Okay. I called Detroit Interior Works. I said, this is where we're at now. We're pretty much ready for interior. So it's interior time. So it's time to get inside the car, wire up the AutoMeter, wire up the radio, sounds, all of that stuff. It's that time now. Now it's time to work inside the car. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just pretty much just getting all my parts in order right now for the interior and doing the electrical. So if you've never seen AutoMeter dash before, like pretty much behind the scenes, let me bring you closer so I can show you what it looks like. All right, so if you've never seen behind the AutoMeter dash, I will add, you want to make sure you get your light switch and screw that to the cover. It's already going to be ready for you to mount it. It's just this screw piece. This is a screw, and it pretty much clamps it together. So you screw this part onto the switch, so you can put the switch on the dash, and you pretty much just got you don't touch anything, but this is just so if you've never seen anything, you're wondering how this looks and how it works. If you put a USB cord in here and leave it in here somewhere so where it's reachable, if you need to do downloads or anything, you don't have to take the whole dash apart just for you to get the download if you need a download on this thing. I got the ductwork running as well, so I can have my air running through the vent. Got the cords running through this little hole here. Tack it to the dash. Yeah, so pretty much there you go. All your wires, very simple. This long one, this orange one, easily to see, that's going to be your fuel wire. That one is, you can run this all the way to the back if you need, but my stuff be inside the car, so all I got to do is just tap into my lead that's inside the car. And then you got turn signals, whole nine. Turn signals, lights, oil, temp, battery, the whole nine. Everything is right here, and you just pretty much install it inside the car using the factory wire harness and whatever else you're plugging it into. So that's it. That's all this dashboard is. It's very simple. My second time around, so what I do is I go and get all my colors, what they mean. That's on the connector inside the car. So this is the car wires, and then I got I'm sorry, I know I'm so off. This is the car harness wiring part right here, and then this is for my AutoMeter wire. So instead of having to have this book in the car with me, I just use both of these two papers and go off of that, and we hook up everything. So if you've never seen this before, informational, it's useful. So if you need, take a look at this. And if you got the column shift, that's a note too. If you got the column shift, you pretty much just want to knock the rivets off. The area at the top, just pretty much just chop that off, and you'll be able to take your gear shifter all the way down without hitting it. Yep. So AutoMeter in a nutshell. And you could just buy this screen, fab this screen into any car you like, but you gotta be able to know how to do so. So that's that. That's what I'm doing. Just pretty much getting everything in order. We're about to manhandle this thing inside the car. I already ran the ductwork for the air vents and put all that stuff back. I had took it down and cleaned it up. These old cars, boy, this inside of this car was stinking so bad. I had to get all of that out. All right, so it's interior time. It's time to start getting some of this stuff inside the car, at least the things that I do have, because I'm waiting on pretty much the entire interior. But we're going to stay focused on the stuff that we do have in stock and get that part done, and then we'll worry about everything else that's going to come right behind finishing this dash up pretty much. So put the dash in, wire up the AutoMeter, do the radio as well. Yeah, that's what I'm planning to do. That's what I'm planning to do. So let's go ahead and get to work. The bag's on go. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you're liking already, if you're liking anything that you see, make sure you hit the like button. If you appreciate what I'm doing, hit the like button. If you just here watching, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Appreciate it. Let's get to work now. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Got the dash in, just a few little bolts here and there just to hold it into place. Welcome back. So I've been putting in that work. It's been about 3 hours I've been at it. So I say, you know what? I'm just gonna turn the camera on. We're gonna start it together. We're gonna see this turn on for the first time together. Wow. So fingers crossed, hopefully everything checks out. No turn signal. We got one. We got two. That was weird. Yeah, we need gas. Ooh, that's dope. Remember I was talking about we was real low on fluid? Look at that, and I ain't even noticed. Got my meter for my battery, so you know what that means. I probably gotta put that thing on the charger. Wow, look at that light turn on. I'm doing things for the first time, y'all. Give me a second. Trying to figure it all out. High beam, come on. Hey, got turn signals? Battery is saying please, and gas. I'm still here just, wow, so. I just had to turn it on. I had to turn it on for the first time, and we did it together. Been working at it, and I'm tired. It's about 8:30 now. I gotta hang it up for the day. And yes, I put the cover down so you don't see all my wires because we focusing on the dash. It's all about the dash right now. Oh, let's put my favorite dash. Let's put my favorite dash on here. Oh wait, I'm sorry. We're gonna set all the other stuff up later. Yeah, that's my favorite right there. That's my all-time favorite. 0 miles on this beast. I ain't drove this El Camino nowhere. Never have. Pulled it right on the trailer. Sweet. Yo, 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 as y'all can see, what's understood ain't gotta be explained. D under your dash, and he's up under the dash.
What up,
playing this part. So we got the fans hooked up, we got the trans cooler hooked up, so I'm good up under the hood as far as hooking up any electricals, anything that needs to work off the motor. We got oil pressure. We got oil pressure. And next, I need to get into this wire here for my temperature gauge. That's the only one that isn't hooked up right now on that dash, but everything else is hooked up. Yeah, so now I'm about to set up the camera so D can do his thing, and as the alarm works, he's gonna show you what he did and the product, and we're about to wrap this part up. And if you're wondering, if you didn't watch the last video, what alarm system I went with, you'll be surprised with this unit here. This is the two-way, so you get the big remote and the little remote. And yeah, so let me go ahead and set this up. D about to go ahead and explain things. Got the power running, everything looking good. Oh, hey, players, F up too. A guy contacted me, he said, hey, I want to leave you this little gem right here. Your rim should be chopping forward. This one is going backwards. You got the wrong, he said, for instance, the front wheel should look like this. I didn't even notice. I was looking at the tread on the tire when I first got them to put them on. I was looking at the tread of the tire. Didn't even pay attention to the design of the rim to tell me which way the rims was rolling. Hey, players F up too. I'm learning. That's all this is about. Learning curve. Car ain't been nowhere. Car ain't going nowhere yet. So all I gotta do is just pop these off and swap them. So left is on the right and right is on the left. So, hey, I appreciate it. You know, I learned. And yeah, so I'm about to go ahead, put the phone up. D finishing up right now, so I'm about to show you this thing.
All right, what up, though? D under your dash. I'm actually making 2 videos in one. D under your dash. Gadget vision. Y'all know what we already doing. Y'all already know what it is. Got the 1870 on the L, dog. Oh, yeah. So it's a 2-way. Now I'm gonna show y'all something too with the app, with the linker app that we're gonna eventually add to this one. But we added the power locks, of course. All right, see that? We're gonna start it another day. Yeah, we'll start it another day. So we, you know, I'm working on these wires, twisting these wires like I do. With the remote? With the remote. Oh, okay. All right. Well, we about to start this bad boy up. About to crank it up. I'm gonna turn it right back on. Bags want to hear it. He want to feel it. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Oh, hold on. Let me lock it. And we about to crank this bad boy up. Y'all know I'm gonna come back when it's all done. Y'all know I'm gonna come back. But holla at your boy. All right, let me show y'all this right here.
Do you need the curl?
No.
Oh, let me turn that fan off.
Oh yeah. My bad. So this is the linker app. You can do all your functions on your rad. More importantly, you can get alarm notifications and track. Wait a minute. Track the location no matter where you at. It's GPS. So if you out of town, you're old school here in Detroit, the alarm go off, guess what? You're gonna get a notification on your phone. And then I'm branded on there. So it's a D Under Your Dash app. So come holler at your boy. Get your old school rolling right and protected.
Now, is that app safe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So for those that may want to know, is that app your app or is it monitored? When I download that app on my phone for my car, am I gonna be the only one viewing my car?
Oh yeah.
I don't need nobody to start my car up at 2 o'clock in the morning.
No.
Because it's been hacked. So unlocking my doors every time I lock the doors.
Nope. You ain't gotta worry about that.
All right.
It's a safe app. It's just I branded it. It's an Omega Excalibur app. If you sell a certain amount of apps, systems, then you can brand it with your own logo on there. I can send you notifications with sales and all kind of stuff. So it's safe. You ain't got to worry about that. And it's $40 a year. And the first year is free. So I hooked this up today. You're not going to get billed till this time next year. So yeah, that's an added bonus for your regular alarm and remote start.
That's incredible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So anything else you would like to do?
No, that's it. That's it.
Show them the remote.
Oh yeah. That's the two-way remote. That's gonna give you 1,500 feet range. The app is gonna give you unlimited range.
What's the buttons on there? Let me see. What's on the side of that remote?
You got remote start. You got trunk, and that's the program. You got all kind of different stuff you could program.
You can actually program two cars on that one remote.
Yep, you can. You got car 1 and car 2. Ironically, people mistakenly put it on car 2, and they're like, "Man, my remote ain't working." Is it on car 2? Yep. Wow. Yeah. All right, what up, though? It's your boy D Under Your Dash. So my specialty is alarm and remote starts. So what I need from you is to just get in touch with me and we schedule an appointment. And you can call me or text me. Better yet, call me and we can go, I like to call it a vehicle consultation to see exactly what you're trying to do. And I can let you know what's available, what I can do. I'm in the Metro Detroit area. I can be contracted to go further if the price is right and I'm flown out or whatever, we can do that. So, but just give me a call, give me a text, figure out the year, make, and model and what you're trying to do, and we can get it done. D Under Your Dash. Yeah, I'll let your boy.